Hey, it's me, Dr. Lou. I'm in the kids' room here at Perinatal and Pediatric Chiropractic of Maine. And one of my favorite things to do for kids when they come in is make them balloons. So today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon flower that is huge. Okay, here's what you do. You take a balloon of any color and you pump it all the way up. And then you let a little bit of air out of it until it feels soft. You tie off the end, and then you're going to tie the ends together. And then you're going to go like this, and you're going to pull it just like that, and then you're going to roll the top forward, and then you're going to divide this into thirds. So I'm going to take a third here, and I'm going to twist. And I'm going to take another third, and I'm going to twist. And then I'm going to fold them all together like this, so you have a stack. And then I'm going to squeeze them together in the middle, grabbing with two fingers, and then I'm going to twist. Whoa! Whoa! The three halves. Now we have a flower with 4 petals because it popped. We'll try this in there. Now you can see that we have a bundle of petals. I'm going to hold on to that, and then I'm going to make the stem. Super easy. Take a balloon, any color, blow it up all the way, let a tiny bit of air out, and then just like this, you're going to take 2 pieces and you're going to fold it like that. So here's how it looks, just like that, okay? And then in the middle of that bundle, you're going to squeeze and twist, which creates 2 leaves. And then at the top, you're going to twist off a little ball, just like that. And then you're going to take the petals and you're going to squeeze this part right here. Then you're going to squeeze that part right into the middle of the flower from in between the petals. Just like that. And it looks just like that. Ta-da! Have a great day. Have a great week. If you have troubles making this balloon, be sure to comment down below and I'll help you out. If your kids want a balloon, stop by the office and I'll be happy to make them one. See you later.